blow the candle. We will sing in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, kids, gusto kayo mas malakas naman in 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, Ate Ellie, make a wish and blow your candle. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Ate Ellie. Once again, ano nga rin ang ating magic word? Ayan, happy birthday, Ate Ellie. Ayan.